Jotai and Recoil. They're simple, modern, and great alternatives to heavy libraries like Redux. Let's break them down one by one and build real examples so you see how they work in action. Part 1. Jotai, atomic state for React. Jotai means atomic in Japanese, and that's how it works. It manages your state like atoms, tiny, isolated, and composable. Let's create a quick app using Jotai. First, create a new React app. npx create React app Jotai demo cd jotai-demo npm install Jotai npm start. Now open your project in VS Code. Inside a slash create a new file, src store.js. Import atom from Jotai. Export const count atom equals atom 0. Now go to app.js. Sarc app.js. Act from React. Import useAtom from Jotai. Import count atom from /store. Function app. Const count set count equals useAtom count atom. Return div style equals text align center. Padding 40px. h1 tie counter. Button on click. Set count. Counter button. Button on click. Style margin left 10px. Decrement. Export default app. Open your browser at localhost 3000. Boom. Your counter works. No provider, no reducer, no boilerplate. Jotai keeps things simple and local, but you can also build big apps with it using derived atoms and async atoms. Part 2. Recoil, Facebook's approach to state management. Recoil was developed by Meta, designed for large-scale apps with shared and derived state. Let's create a Recoil app. npx create React app, Recoil demo. cd Recoil demo m install Recoil. npm start. Now open the app in VS Code. sr/store.js. Import atom from Recoil. Export const count state equals atom, key, count state, default 0. Now update your app.js. Import React from React. Import Recoil root, useRecoilState from Recoil. Import count state from /store. Function counter. Const count set count equals useRecoilState count state. Return div styling center padding 40px1. Recoil counter h2. Count button on click set count counts 1. Increment button. Button on click set count count nice 1. Style margin left 10px. Function app. Return recoil root counter recoil root. Export default app. Recoil suture needs a provider. That's the recoil root. Everything else feels like React, and that's the beauty of it. Jotai or Recoil, which should you use? Jotai, perfect for small to medium apps, minimal setup, clean syntax, best for atomic, local state. Recoil, better for complex apps where state needs to be shared across many components. It supports selectors, derived state, and async data very well. Both are solid. Pick the one that fits your project size and complexity. So, whether you're building a simple counter or a complex dashboard, Jotai and Recoil are two great tools in your React toolbox.